Namaste students. Today I am going to discuss about the topic application of enzymes in pharmaceutical industry. In the pharma industry, first we discuss about the application of enzyme in medicine. In the medicine, different kinds of enzymes are being used for the treatment of different kinds of diseases. How these diseases are treated? As we know that enzymes have some proteolytic activity, and due to this proteolytic activity, enzymes are being used in the killing of different disease causing microorganisms because these microbes uh, because enzymes disrupt the cell wall of the microbes because they have proteolytic activity, and lipase activity is also there. And due to this proteolytic and lipase activity, enzymes degrade the some lipid molecules present in the cell wall of the cell membrane of the microbes, and they also degrade the cell wall of the microbes. Similarly, they are used in the wound healing and diagnostic of certain diseases. In the pharmaceutical enzymes have important role in treatment of different diseases, and only small amount of these pharmaceutical enzymes are sufficient, so they are very useful. Similarly, these enzymes are used in the diagnostic technique because pharma industry have a part of diagnostic and analysis. So the sugar glucometer are the important part of the pharmaceutical industry in which glucometer are sold out in the pharma product as a pharma product. So enzymes can be used for the detection of glucose in the blood, and the amount of glucose in the blood and urine is an indicator of the diagnosis of diabetes, and they can be detected by using enzyme glucose oxidase catalyze the reaction between the glucose and oxygen to form gluconic acid. So they are used as a biosensor. These enzymes are being used as a biosensor. And which enzyme is being used? Glucose isomerase, which catalyze the reaction between glucose and oxygen to form gluconic acid. When this gluconic acid is detected, then the reading is shown to the biosensor. So they are used in the analytical applications also. In manipulating use, the goal of the manipulating enzyme is to make an enzyme that has improved property to improve health. Change in created through the exchange of amino acid of modification in the enzyme structure. Some alteration may include adding short peptide domains. These stabilize the enzymes and target the cell membrane or DNA. The most common genetic alterations are with the creation of enzyme, introducing point mutation, exchanging protein domains, and changing the structure. So these enzymes are being used in the manipulation of different kinds of products, and they are being used in the engineering fusion proteins and enzyme hybrids. In therapeutic industry, they are being also used, and they can be administered individually or along with other drugs. Enzymes supplements which are used mostly uh, prolactazine, which treat lactose intolerance, collagenase, which treat skin ulcer, asparginase, which is used to treat leukemia, and streptokinase, which is administered to patient for when heart attack is observed. So this streptokinase is very important. This is a very important example because this streptokinase is given to the patients which get the heart attack. So very important example is there. Similarly, in the industrial uses, uh, different kinds of enzymes are being used for the production of some industrially important compounds which are present in the pharma industry, including the penicillin GBS and glucose isomerase, which are the examples of the pharmaceutical industry. Similar, the penicillin isomerase and glucose isomerase aid the production of semi-synthetic penicillin and fructose syrup. And enzymes also exist in many parts of the body, such as in the liver and the stomach. These enzymes can also be used for the production of different kinds of pharma products. So our lecture is over here. In the upcoming video, we will discuss another video tutorial. Thank you very much.